guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I told you, in my previous video, I told you that we got a big project coming up. With we, I mean the Argo. He's next to me. If you want to see what his core business is, you have to check out his channel. I'll link it below, Section 8 Freestyle. This guy is crazy when it comes to drones. So right now, you probably noticed that I'm not at my attic. I'm sorry for the noise, but we rented a pickup truck and we are on our way to the other side of the country. So stay watching and you'll see what this project will be about. Okay guys, so I told you about this new project. Well, this is it. So like you already noticed, we bought ourselves a pretty old car. With old, I mean old, because this one is from 91. That means that it's 28, almost 29 years old. It's a Volvo 460. It has a 4-cylinder engine, 1.8 monopoint, and we bought it for a very, very good price. So you might be asking, why the heck did you guys bought a car? Well, let me show you. So 8 countries in 5 days, and hopefully we can bring it back too. But to make sure that happens, we have to check this car from top to bottom to see if it's technically perfect. So it has been standing still for 2 years. The battery there is no battery. The engine, I don't know when it had its last service, but since it's been over 2 years, that's the first thing we're gonna do. And then we'll see what else is necessary to get this car ready. So I've installed the battery, I've checked the oil, that's okay. For now, I don't gonna drive a lot with it, but I want to park it in my garage. So, fingers crossed, let's hope that it starts. Okay, so that was a success. It already started up like it's a new car. Well, not exactly like a new car, but for a 29-year-old car, it was pretty damn good. Next I'm going to change the oil filter, take the old oil out, clean this thing up because this is a mess. I don't know. So you can see it's what they call sweating in Belgium. There's some oil on the outside, so we're gonna clean that mess up. Then we're gonna check everything, like the belts, for example. I can't see the timing belt because it's behind that plastic part here.
Well, this looks okay. It looks like there's a new packing inside here, so that's nice. And when that's done, once that the engine and the technical side of this car is okay, then we are going to have fun, because right now I already took it out. The center console is out. There was something, a plastic part that was broken, so of course I'm going to 3D print a new part for that. Also, the color is still okay, but I don't really like it, so I'm gonna ask you guys, what should we do? Because when you do a road trip like this, the car should be something unique. I had some ideas, for example, make this in a desert color with some graphics on it. I don't know, all suggestions are welcome, also for the interior. If you have any idea of something cool or gadgets that I should make or get, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and next, after we service the engine, we are going to move the car to Argo's place, and that's where we start with the bodywork, because there's a lot of rust also. Anyways, this is the new project I was talking about. Thanks for watching, and see you in one of my next videos. Bye guys.